Imagine an advanced team of brilliant minds working with some of the most advanced computers in the world. This team, known as Google DeepMind, is based in London. At their headquarters, there's a special ceremonial gong that they ring only for truly groundbreaking achievements. Recently, the gong sounded off again, and this time, it was for something completely unexpected. Let's dive into this exciting revelation and explore what made this achievement so extraordinary. DeepMind's latest achievement. In July 2024, the iconic gong at Google DeepMind's headquarters in London rang out to celebrate a major breakthrough in artificial intelligence. This wasn't a typical victory in games like Go or chess, which DeepMind is famous for. Instead, the gong was heralding a significant leap forward in mathematics. AI's historical milestones. For years, DeepMind's AI systems have achieved remarkable feats. In 2016, the gong celebrated AlphaGo, an AI that mastered the ancient game of Go, defeating the best human players. The celebration continued in 2017 with AlphaZero, an AI that revolutionized chess by outplaying world champions. But this latest achievement is a whole new ballgame. The International Mathematical Olympiad, IMO. This time, DeepMind's AI competed in the International Mathematical Olympiad, IMO, a prestigious competition known for attracting the brightest young mathematicians from around the world. Held from July 11th to July 22, 2024, at the University of Bath, the IMO is the ultimate test of mathematical prowess for high school students. A historic first for AI. For the first time ever, an AI system didn't just participate alongside these brilliant students, but performed exceptionally well. DeepMind's AI achieved a level of performance that could have earned it a silver medal if it were human. This marks a monumental step in AI's ability to tackle complex mathematical problems traditionally reserved for human intellect. The achievement in detail. DeepMind's AI solved 4 out of 6 problems presented at the IMO, earning a total of 28 points. While it didn't claim the top spot, this performance was groundbreaking. This is a phase transition in the use of AI in mathematics, said Pushmeet Kohli, Google DeepMind's Vice President of Research. It's a transformative change in the ability of AI systems to do mathematics. The impact of this breakthrough. The implications of this achievement are profound. It has the potential to revolutionize fields such as physics, engineering, and economics, where mathematical modeling plays a crucial role. More importantly, it signifies a step closer to developing AI systems capable of true understanding and reasoning, not just pattern recognition. Evaluating AI performance. To ensure fairness, DeepMind brought in 2 independent experts to assess the AI's performance. Timothy Gowers, a Fields medalist from the University of Cambridge, and Joseph Myers, a former IMO gold medalist and Problem Selection Committee chair, provided their evaluations. Both were impressed, with Gowers noting that the AI exceeded expectations in several areas. Comparing AI and human performance. In comparison to human competitors, one student, Hanjian Zhao from China, achieved a perfect score of 42 points by solving all 6 problems. The US team won the overall competition with 192 points, followed closely by China with 190 points. The AI's 28 points, achieved by solving problems in algebra, geometry, and number theory, demonstrate its remarkable capability. Advancements in AI technology. DeepMind's breakthrough is a significant advancement in AI technology. Dr. David Silver, a research scientist at DeepMind, emphasized that this development represents a pivotal shift in AI's history, moving from solving simple problems to tackling complex ones on par with human. Collaborative efforts in AI research. DeepMind's work on applying AI to mathematics has been a collaborative effort involving world-class research mathematicians. Dr. Alex Davis, who leads DeepMind's Mathematics Initiative, highlighted that mathematics' unique combination of abstract thinking, precise calculations, and creative reasoning makes it an ideal test for AI systems. Technological innovations behind the achievement. The AI system used at the IMO combined several advanced technologies. Alpha geometry and alpha proof. The systems involved utilized informal reasoning based on natural language and formal reasoning with strict logic and code. This approach, coupled with reinforcement learning algorithms similar to those used in AlphaGo and AlphaZero, allowed the AI to continuously improve and solve increasingly complex problems. That's it for today's deep dive into this incredible AI achievement. If you enjoyed this exploration into advanced technology and futuristic innovations, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates from High Tech 9. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.